Hey guys, it's your girl Clara and welcome back to my channel. So may bago na naman tayo video. And this video is we are going to review Fresh K Beauty Lab na recently lang na kinurate ni Terry Daisuke na influencer sa TikTok. So kung gusto niya panood tong video na ito, Fresh K Beauty Lab released their line already. So ito ay curated ni Terry Daisuke. So this is the Fresh K Beauty Lab. So this is the product, the name of the product is this is Blush Bomb Powder Duo. So this is in shade Cherry Chocolate and Caramel Sugar. Ito yung magkahiwalay na shades. Paano kaya pag one shade? This is one shade. Ayan. Then let's try it on my cheeks. Here. This blush is pretty good. This brush is pretty good. I'll make doing effect then. This blush on is pretty good. Ang ganda, promise. Uy, parang this one is parang same formula. Ayan no, ang ganda. Nagbibigay siya ng doing blush effect sa akin. Parang ginamit ko yung blush ni Chuchu Beauty. Yung formula niya, it's same with Chuchu. Final thoughts with this one. This is 100 below 200 pesos below. So, may mga products rin, mga lipsticks, mga tints, mga powders, under 200 pesos. This is a great powder blush. Not bad with this one. And, ka-level niya ang powder blush ng Lucky Beauty, Chuchu Beauty with this one. I wanted to try the other products but hindi siya alam ko hindi ko siya magagamit. Kaya nag-invest ako to one product para ma-review ko siya sa inyo. So that's it for my review. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching and I hope that you like this video. Just don't forget like, share, and subscribe. God bless and bye-bye. See you in my next video.